Okay friends, to get started on replacing our mirror, we're going to come right inside on the inner door panel and we're going to remove this trim piece. With that out of the way, we're going to continue on by removing our Allen head screw right here and another one inside the handle. Take your plastic trim tool and come in between the door panel and the door itself. We're just going to separate this, go all the way around. Lift this up. Now we're going to slide this trim piece through the door panel. Remove the door panel. Grab this foam insert. We're going to set it aside. We're going to reuse it. With that out of the way, we have a nice clear view of our 3 mounting nuts. Let's spray those with some penetrant. Let's start removing those 10mm headed nuts. Let's do the same to the others. All right, I've got it nice and loose. I'm going to make sure I hold onto that mirror so it can't fall and hit the ground, and remove our last mounting nut. Let's carefully remove the mirror. There it is, friends. Go ahead and wipe down the area where the mirror was so you can make a good seal. All right, now we can start installing our brand new mirror. We want to take this gasket right here, line it up with all 3 of those studs, and now we can get this onto the door. Line up the studs with the holes in the door. Now I'm going to hold it up against the door while I start all 3 nuts, and then we'll snug them up. Okay, they're all started. Let's go ahead and snug them up. That's bottomed out. Just going to go a teeny bit more and do the rest. Let's get our foam back in here. All right, now it's time to get our door panel back on there. We're going to go ahead and take this plastic piece. We'll slide it right on through there. Be very careful not to twist it and break it in any way. Now we're just going to take the door panel, and you're going to feel along the top area here, there's a little bit of a lip. This lip needs to fit over the lip of the door itself. We're going to bring it right up and over, then slide it down. Now we'll continue on by pushing in all of our push clips going around the door. Let's get our 2 screws in here. I'm just going to take this, carefully slide it in there. Line up your push tabs. Press it in. All right, so we got the mirror in there and it looks amazing. The last thing that you need to do now is just go ahead and set it so you can see behind you.